Alrighty, everybody, it's Michael Alder here from rawlandinvestments.com. Thank you so much for tuning in. And in this video, I want to share with you 4 wholesale deals we have available on our site. But not only that, we got a cool bonus going on this week. If you purchase any one of the properties we have available right now, we're going to send you a pair of MagnaCraft binoculars to go along with your property to explore with. So first things first, we have 1.13 acres in Cochran County, Texas. Here's our property ID, geographic ID, legal description. Annual taxes are under $20 a year. Here's the GPS coordinates for, you can plug that into Google Earth to go ahead and search out the property and see the surrounding areas. Seller financing, 25 down, 25 a month for only 60 months. If you wanted to move forward with this property, you could just click the Buy It Now button. It would take you to the checkout page. You just fill out your information, and then we'll send over a contract to be signed and sent back to us. And then you could go ahead and start enjoying your property. I also have 2 available in Florida right now, Putnam County, Florida, 0.18 acres, and we also have 0.16 acres. Same scenario, we got the parcel number, the legal description, the frontage, the depth, the GPS coordinates. These do have back taxes owed on them of roughly $1,000, so we are selling these on great terms here. Seller financing, 25 down, 25 a month for only 24 months on these. If you wanted to take advantage of those and you would assume the back tax bill, all you have to do is make payments to Putnam County, and you do not have to pay the amount in full right off the bat. You just make payments on each year that is delinquent. So as your money comes in, you can go ahead and submit payments and bring it current. And the last one, we just have a tiny property in Boone County, Arkansas, 25 down, 25 a month for 48 months. Properties like this are great. Taxes are under $5 annually, super affordable, and easy way to expand your portfolio with raw land. And like I said, purchase any one of these properties, and we're going to send you out a pair of binoculars to go along with your property. We also have a couple of promotions available on the site here. You can take advantage of those over at rawlandinvestments.com. But like I said, purchase any property, get a pair of binoculars to go along with them. Feel free to comment below with any questions. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you on the next video.